Did you know that spending time with your dog could actually help your concentration and your relaxation? A research team in South Korea put electrodes on the tops of the heads of volunteers and had these volunteers interact with a very well-trained dog. When the participants walked the dog, their alpha band oscillations in their brains got stronger, and that showed that their brains were getting relaxed. When they sat down and pet the dog, their beta band oscillations in their brains got stronger, which indicates more concentration. Playing with the dog increased both relaxation and concentration. This study is interesting because it actually paves the way forward for more studies of how you can use dogs in hospital settings and in schools to reduce anxiety and maybe even improve concentration. So the next time you're spending quality time with your dog, just know that your dog may be actually doing you a lot of good as well.